WAEC 2026, question number 3, theory, the compulsory part. Concrete blocks of length 14 over 25 meters were laid end to end along the four sides of a rectangular lawn, 28 meters long and 21 meters wide. Question A. How many blocks were required to complete one layer? What to do in this question? Since the length of block is given to us as 14 all over 25 meters. Also, the dimension of the rectangular lawn is given to us, which is length equal to 28 meters and the width is equal to 21 meters. What we are going to do first and foremost is to calculate the perimeter of this rectangular lawn, okay? And when that is done, we can now move on to finding how many blocks we are required to complete one layer. Formula for perimeter is 2 into length plus width. Now, the dimension is known. The length of the lawn is 28 and the width is 21, meaning that we add 21 to 28, that is going to give us 49. When we multiply it by 2, going by the formula for perimeter, that will give us exactly 98 meters. What this means is that the rectangular lawn has a perimeter of 98. Therefore, to find the exact number of blocks required to complete the one layer, what we now do is the total perimeter of the lawn, okay, then divided by the length of a block, okay, length of block, all right. So therefore, to do this, the total perimeter is 98 divided by the length of block, which is 14 over 25 as given to us here. Meaning that this is 98 over 1 multiplied by 25 over 14. We can make use of calculator to multiply it once. That means 98 multiplied by 14. That is going to give us, 98 multiplied by 25. That is going to give us 2450. Then divided by 14. Divided by 14, that is 175. It means that the number of blocks required to complete one layer is equal to 175. This is the correct answer to question number 3A. All right, let us look at question number 3B. If each block costs Ghana cedis, okay, 1.80, and the cost of labor is 1/3 of the cost of block, that means the cost of labor will now be 1/3 the cost of block, which is 1.80. All right, let us know the total cost of block. The cost of purchasing the block and the cost of labor, we calculate them together. That means 1.80 divided by 3. That is going to give us labor as 0.6, meaning that the total cost of block, okay, cost of block plus labor, okay, that is what it means, is going to be 1.80 plus 0.8, and that is now going to be for us plus 1.80, please, 1.80. So that is going to give us a total of 2.40. Total of 2.40, excuse me. Okay, so the total cost of one block now is 2.40. Now, but the question is asking us, find the total cost of laying the blocks. Therefore, total cost of laying the blocks, since we know the number of blocks, total cost now, total cost of laying blocks, of laying the blocks, okay, will now be, for a block, is 2.40. For the number of blocks we are laying here for the rectangular lawn is 175. Therefore, we just simply multiply 2.40 by 175, which is the number of blocks, and that is going to give us the required answer, which is 420 Ghana cedis. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.